I thought we'd bring you up to date. Today's Friday, the
Friday the 20th of August, reporting for duty. Sir, ma'am, Mrs. C. Hello, sorry about my... Let me just pull it in.
That'll soon be gone, darling.
Yes, darling, yes, darling, on the 12th of never.
No, when you're backpacking.
So we're packing, look, we're packing all our stuff. And look at this crate. There's nothing in it. We're packing our stuff to leave, and we're moving out in 10 days or so, 10, 11 days. And we bought flights to Mexico. We bought, well, one flight, not two flights. That means we go separately, but we're going to go on the same flight. So we bought one flight on the Airways of British to Mexico on Sunday the 5th of September. And we're going to Mexico. Oh, Mexico. Anyway, and then we'll be there for 2 weeks, and hopefully we'll get on to the States after that to see our lovely chum John. And but that's really all we were going to do for this update. It was just like a quick update, just a small, just a tiny, just a nano weenie update. And we're packing. So
and we've just sold out.
There are some tiers. This jolly nice. Well, no, this you can't even see what this is. Really, it's a mirror with a lot of bubble wrap on it.
And that's
this is our sellotape here, which we're using to wrap said mirror. Fascinating.
But we're quite sad that that's going.
It's kind of bittersweet,
sold
isn't it? It's bittersweet, and but I think that will do it for now. I think so. Signing off.